There is the 3 LED which is connected to the as a load. This is the battery, lithium ion battery, and the DC gear motor. The DC gear motor is like as the generator or alternator. This is the connection of the regenerative system. And also the rating of the lithium ion battery is the 12 volt and 4 ampere hour. Now you can see this the real wheel. In the real wheel, the regenerative systems of the mechanical arrangement can be do in it, like as the flywheel. Now first is the drive mode. In the drive mode, we apply the force to drive the bicycle, and the main important of that, the battery is connected with the diode due to the protection of the reverse bias current. You can see this the diode. Now there is the drive mode. In drive mode, the belt is slipped and the generator is not connected, so that the light will not glow. You can see that the light is not glow because we cannot apply the brake. Now when we apply the brake, you can see the regenerations. Wait for it. Now we apply the brake and regeneration is possible. When we apply the brake, the light will be glown because of engagement of the generator. So light will be glown and regeneration is possible, as well as regeneration, and the bicycle's speed of the bicycle is reduced. Now again the process is repeat. First I pedal it and apply the brake. You see the regeneration. The light LED is glow and the maximum output voltage we get. Now you can see this is the brake lever. When we apply the brake lever, due to the engagement of the motor, like as the now as an alternator or generator, alternator is connected because the belt is tightened, and the regeneration is possible, and also the speed of bicycle is reduced. Thank you.